I feel like I'm on an episode of QVC. What's up guys, it's Chris Appleton, welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually going to be showing you my essentials in my kit. Normally I travel with 4 suitcases full of stuff. Everything but the kitchen sink I pretty much have in there. However, I narrowed it down to some top priority pieces and I'm going to talk you through them now. So first in my essential list is a bungee cord. Anyone that knows me knows I like a good tight snatch. So high ponytails, half up ponytails. My go-to is a bungee elastic because it really holds the tension of the hair. Next, I always have a Starbucks cold brew. And I usually have like 4 cold brews a day, I guess. Some people say that's unhealthy, but it just kind of keeps me going. All right, next on my list, let's hit some products. I love the Colorwell Dream Coat. This stuff transforms hair. My style of hair is very kind of shiny, rich and expensive, and this really helps me to get that quality finish. Next, we have Pop and Lock. The reason I love this stuff is because you use a little bit and it gives the hair like a nice shine. This is the secret weapon to a wet look. I literally saturate the hair in this. It gives you that really controllable wet look with a nice shine. Talking about shine, this is the extra shine spray from Colorwell. What I love about this is it's not greasy, it's not oily, it just makes the hair look really rich and expensive. I quite often use this with a flattening iron or a curling iron because it gives the hair a really intense sparkle. But one thing you'll always find that I have is the Colorwell Root Touch-Up Powder. Amazing to fill out hairlines. Pretty much does anything you want it to do. You can always see weaker hairlines, so I usually fill it out, I blend in extensions, sometimes I enhance highlights. Comes in every color, everyone needs one of these. Next on the list is, I don't know if you guys can guess what this is, it's not tip tape, it is wig tape. This is a go-to because it's like good, it holds and it comes out really easily with alcohol as well. Setting clips, they're just really handy to have and help to set the hair in place. I'm all about the details. So this is a baby Tress edge brush. I like it because it's got 2 forms and 2 sides. So one side is bristles, one side is plastic. It's great for doing details on the edges like baby hairs, cleaning up ponytails, polishing away flyaways. Honestly, everyone needs one of these. Dyson, I love a good Dyson. Everyone likes a good blow, right? What's great about this is it's super lightweight, it's powerful, dries the hair really quick, and honestly if I ever use any of a hairdryer now it's really noticeable. I like the attachments because they're really light and easy to use. For anyone that doesn't know what this is a diffuser. If you have curly or wavy hair, you'd be surprised at how curly it can get when you use one of these. What else have we got here? Good old Harry Josh. Harry's been a friend of mine for a long time. I use his heat equipment because it's variable heat temperature, which I think is really important to maintain the condition of your hair. You know, you've got to keep the hair in good condition. An old classic. You've probably seen this on the bedstands of a lot of women. This is called a Mason & Pearson brush. Just goes through the hair really nice. This is great for brushing out waves and curls because it kind of expands the volume. When you brush it through, it gives it this kind of real fluffy finish. Great for ponytails as well, snatches and keeps it close to the scalp. Another one is the Tangle Teaser ventilated hairbrush. This is great because Tangle Teaser everyone knows as detangling the hair. But this one in particular you can use heat with. It blow dries the hair, and as you blow dry the hair, the actual bristles move, giving you really nice control, and it actually helps to dry the hair faster. So that was my top picks from my kit. I hope you enjoyed my QVC style tutorial. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked that video, make sure you subscribe. And honestly, if you didn't, then f off.